Hey guys, this is Upesh from Beebom.com, and first of all, I want to wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from all of us at the Beebom team. I hope you're having a great time with your family. Anyway, last year we had Santa here giving out some really cool gifts. But this year it's just me, but it's still Christmas, so yeah, there's obviously gifts. Two of them actually. See, we know a lot of you guys are working or studying from home, and this Christmas we wanted to make things better for you guys. So one of you guys stand a chance to win the brand new MacBook Air with the latest M1 chip, but that's not everything. One of your friends stand a chance to win the latest 8th Gen iPad as well. So yeah, this is awesome, right? So this is the new MacBook Air with the latest Apple M1 chipset, and we all know the performance gains this chipset brings. To give you an idea, you can actually edit 4K and even 8K videos on the MacBook Air, so the performance should be awesome, and we all know about the sleek, cool looks of the MacBook Air. Then there's also the iPad 8th Gen we are giving away, which looks the same as the 7th Gen iPad but has the A12 Bionic chipset, which means better performance and improved graphics. So yeah, these are some great devices to win. So these are the two awesome devices that we are giving away. So how do you win the MacBook Air M1 and how does your friend win the 8th Gen iPad? Well, it's pretty simple. So here's what you need to do. So you need to be a subscriber of Beebom and you need to do 4 things. First, you need to follow our Instagram page where we post a lot of cool photos and videos. Trust me, you'll love them. Second, go ahead and follow our Twitter page for some really interesting polls, opinions, and things like that. Third, tweet with the hashtag Christmas giveaway and tag one of your friends in the tweet as well. Lastly, comment your Twitter and Instagram ID below. Now, if you're selected, you will win the MacBook Air M1 and your friend will win the 8th Gen iPad. Now, one very important thing to note here is that you must be following us on Instagram as well as Twitter to qualify for the giveaway. And the friend that you tagged on Twitter must be following us on Twitter, otherwise you will be disqualified for the giveaway. So yeah, you must be following us on Instagram and Twitter, while your friend should be following us on Twitter. Pretty simple. So overall, this is like our Christmas gift to you, and with this, you are also kind of giving a Christmas gift to one of your friends, so it's a win-win. Anyway, we will be picking the winners at random from the comment section below, and we will be announcing the winners of the giveaway on Instagram Live on January 4th, 6 p.m. So yeah, stay tuned. Well, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, follow our pages, tweet with the hashtag Christmas giveaway, and make sure to tag your friend on Twitter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Merry Christmas once again. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Ho ho ho. Bye.